It's time to get back to business. Illinois lawmakers return to Springfield next week for the first time since early March. The legislature will take up the budget and other issues. The session will follow strict public health guidelines. The House will reconvene at the Bank of Springfield Center. That's where inauguration is held. The Senate will meet at the Capitol. Members have been asked to sign a pledge to follow safety and health guidelines. They've also been told travel should be done individually, no carpooling. They should use individual hotel rooms. Members and staff should be tested for the coronavirus. Those at higher risk should consider not attending the session. People were encouraged not to bring spouses and children. And the public and press will be allowed to attend, but there will be limits placed on the number of people inside the Capitol and Convention Center. Illinois State Police will provide security, with everyone entering the Convention Center required to submit to a temperature check. Face covering must be worn at all times.
For me, it's doing nothing more than what I've already been asked to do just as a citizen of the state of Illinois.
The most pressing agenda items during what's expected to be a 3-day session: passing a budget and helping lessen the pain from the global pandemic.
We're going to have to work on this together, the legislature, Democrats and Republicans, if they're willing to work with us.
But both Republicans and Democrats are bracing for partisan bickering.
The Democrats have the ability to pass the budget. We haven't seen exactly what it looks like from our perspective. They've built in a lot of revenues that we disagree with, namely it's a graduated income tax, and they're projecting that revenue in their budget. So if that particular piece and light item is in the budget, I think GOP members are going to collectively be out of any robust discussions.
We do have a robust agenda, some very significant items that we need to address, but we anticipate, a little, and I hate to use the word anarchy, but we anticipate a little bit of that. You've got members, particularly Republican members, who have filed lawsuits against the actions of the governor.
In a statement, Senate President Don Harmon urged lawmakers to work together, saying time and again the Illinois Senate has shown its members can work together to solve problems and produce results for the people of this great state. That cooperative spirit of bipartisan achievement is needed now more than ever. And the Senate Republican leader, Bill Brady, said it is vital the legislature be part of the decision-making process when it comes to maintaining the public's health, reopening our state, moving our economy forward, and overcoming a graduated income tax that would negatively impact Illinois families. It's not clear what specific measures the General Assembly will pass to support suffering Illinoisans. Some lawmakers are pushing to take part in some sort of economic recovery commission. Lourdes and Ben.